Is it time to buy or sell SOXL ETF? In this video, we are diving deep into SOXL. Our initial report was published on our website on Wednesday, the 30th of October, 2024, and now we are here to provide you with an even more detailed analysis. Remember to subscribe, hit the like button, and turn on the notification bell to stay updated on our latest analysis. You do not want to miss any crucial updates that could impact your investments. Enhance your trading decisions by trying our newly launched AI stock analysis tool powered by GPT-4 at StockInvest.us. Tap into the power of AI and receive free price predictions and in-depth analysis for any one among 25,000 companies worldwide today. Please note that this video is for informational purposes only and should not be considered as financial advice. Since October 30th, 2024, our system has classified SOXL as a sell candidate, assigning it a score of -2.75. Now let's examine the stock's performance during this period. We will continue to monitor this evaluation to observe how it develops in the days ahead. The exchange-traded fund is currently positioned within a broad and weak upward trend in the short term, indicating that a further increase within this trend is anticipated. The present 3-month trend points to a possible change of approximately 4.49% over the next 3 months, with potential returns ranging from -16.87% to +32.56%. Regarding the 12-month trend, it indicates an expected change of about 25.45% over the upcoming year, with potential returns between 4.07% and 170.53%. This corresponds to a price range between 35.39 and 92.01 after 1 year. Our latest daily update for SOXL includes the headline, "Is SOXL ETF still a buy after falling 10.45% on Wednesday?" The SOXL ETF price fell by 10.45% on the last day, which was Wednesday, the 30th of October, 2024, dropping from $37.98 to $34.01. During the last trading day, the ETF fluctuated 5.26%, with a day low at $33.91 and a day high of $35.70. While the price has risen in 6 of the last 10 days, it is still down by 1.31% for this period. Volume increased on the last day by 18 million shares, albeit alongside falling prices. This may serve as an early warning, indicating a slight increase in risk over the next couple of days. In total, 85 million shares were bought and sold for approximately $2.90 billion. Over the past 52 weeks, the highest price of the ETF was $70.08, while the lowest price was $14.93. Currently, the price is 51.47%, or $36.07, below the 52-week high, and 91.01%, or $344.23, below the all-time high on the 26th of November, 2020, when the price reached $378.24. The Direction Daily Semiconductor Bull 3x Shares Exchange-Traded Fund, known as SOXL, has been drawing considerable attention ahead of earnings reports from technology giants Intel and AMD. This leveraged exchange-traded fund has seen remarkable growth, surging by over 2,085% in the last decade and 186% over the past 5 years. However, a word of caution is warranted, as the stock has experienced a sharp decline, nearly halving in value since its peak in July 2024, reflecting its high volatility. Presently, the semiconductor sector is supported by strong demand from artificial intelligence and cloud computing, contributing to a robust rally, with the S&P 500 Semiconductors Index rising by over 80% this year. Yet, elevated valuations and recent insider selling raise concerns about the sustainability of these gains. This environment presents a challenging backdrop for SOXL, as investors may weigh the exchange-traded fund's potential against the inherent risks associated with leveraged investments. In the short term, performance may depend on the upcoming earnings results of major semiconductor players, which could influence price movements. If these results exceed expectations, SOXL could experience a resurgence. On the other hand, disappointing results may worsen its recent downturn. Looking to the long term, while the demand for semiconductor technology remains strong, the significant volatility and current technical setup suggest that investors should adopt a cautious approach, carefully balancing potential rewards against risks. The following signals have been identified for SOXL. Currently, there are few to no positive technical signals. The SOXL exchange-traded fund holds sell signals from both short and long-term moving averages, indicating a more negative outlook for the stock. Additionally, a general sell signal arises from the relationship between these two averages, where the long-term average is above the short-term average. During upward corrections, resistance is expected at levels around $35.06 and $35.38. A breakout above these levels will generate buy signals. A sell signal was triggered from a pivot top point on Monday, October 14, 2024, and since then it has declined by approximately 16.68%. Further decline is likely until a new bottom pivot is established. Moreover, there is currently a sell signal from the 3-month Moving Average Convergence Divergence, or MACD. Volume increased on decreasing prices yesterday, which may serve as an early warning, suggesting that the ETF should be monitored more closely. Here are some additional signals that may be of interest. Moving Average Convergence Divergence indicates a sell signal. Pivots show a sell signal from 13 days ago. Bollinger suggests a buy signal from 139 days ago. The short-term moving average indicates a sell signal from 2 days ago. The long-term moving average also shows a sell signal from 2 days ago. The relationship between the short and long moving averages indicates a buy signal from 5 days ago. If we examine the 12-month chart, we see the short moving average reveals a buy signal from 3 days ago. The long-term moving average indicates a sell signal from 71 days ago. The relationship between the short and long moving averages shows a buy signal from 61 days ago. For more signals, be sure to visit our page at StockInvest.us. Let's discuss support, risk, and stop loss for SOXL. On the downside, this exchange-traded fund finds support just below today's level, with accumulated volume at $32.16 and $29.34. There is a natural risk involved when an ETF tests a support level. If this support is breached, the ETF may drop to the next support level. In this instance, SOXL's support is at $32.16. If this level is broken, the next support from accumulated volume will be at $29.34 and $27.89. This ETF experiences average daily movements, and with solid trading volume, the risk is considered medium. Over the last day, the ETF moved $1.78 between its highest and lowest points, which represents a fluctuation of 5.26%. Throughout the past week, the ETF has exhibited an average daily volatility of 5.51%. Now let's discuss some potential day trading levels for SOXL. In case of an upward trend, the first resistance level for SOXL is at $34.96. If you do not own any shares, you may want to wait for this level to be breached before entering a position. For those already holding the stock, this could be a level to consider for swing trading. On the downside, SOXL encounters its first support level at $32.16. If this support level holds, it could be a good entry point, anticipating a rebound. Our assessment of this exchange-traded fund is unfavorable, and there is currently no stop loss in place. Is the SOXL ETF a good buy? The SOXL ETF presents several negative indicators. Despite a positive trend, our assessment suggests that SOXL may perform poorly in the upcoming days or weeks. Consequently, we have a negative outlook on this ETF. Given some minor weaknesses in the technical analysis, we have revised our evaluation from a hold or accumulate stance to a sell recommendation. After examining the volatility and movements from the last trading day, our analysis indicates that the current price is undervalued. For trading on Thursday, the 31st of October, we anticipate that SOXL will open at approximately 52 cents and begin trading at $34.54. We would like to remind you that trading carries a significant risk of financial loss. It is essential to consult with a financial advisor before making any decisions regarding the purchase or sale of securities. Your investment choices should not solely rely on the information provided by StockInvest.us. By utilizing this information, you accept responsibility for your own investment decisions. This is our current view of the stock. Do you agree or disagree? Share your thoughts in the comments below. What is your target for the exchange-traded fund? Remember to like and subscribe. We wish you successful trading and hope you have a wonderful day. With warm regards from all of us here at Stock Invest.